Hello everyone. Take a plastic container and make the round shape and cut it out. Now fold it like this with the help of a fairy light. Make the thread and tie it like this. Make a flower with the clay like this. Put an orange color in the between. Make 4 more flowers and then you have to decorate it and it's done. Next, take a container and put these sticks on the sides of it like this. Cover it and fill the clay inside it. Now make some dots. Now we have to make the flowers with the help of the earbuds like this. Color them and fix it. Make more as such and fix it over the clay like this and your flower vase is ready. Now after that, we'll be taking these sticks like this and then we have to join them. Now keep joining them and fix it on the top like this. Make one more board as such and fix them together. Make the wheels with the help of the water bottle cap. Make a cart like this and cover it from the sides. Make its handle and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the ice cream sticks, make the holes on it. Now using the mask string, we'll be fixing it like this, them together. Now take a red color paper and cut it out. Now make a watermelon theme over it and then we have to fix it over these sticks to make a hand fan and it's ready. Next, moving forward, we'll be taking a transparent sheet and then we'll be drawing these spiral lines over it and then cut it out. Now after that, we'll be putting it over the green paper and then paste them like this. Put some butterflies cutouts over it and it's done. Look how beautiful it's looking. Next, we'll be taking a blue color paper and then we have to put the lines over it with the colorful paper like this. Make a rainbow. Now fold it as shown in the video and tie it with the thread like this. Now paste it by folding it. Put the sticks on the sides like this and paste it and your rainbow theme fan is ready. Next, take a egg tray and then you have to cut it out. So using an egg tray, we'll be making a tortoise. Cut them out and then we have to color it like this. Make its eyes. Color them as per your choice. Make some patterns on the back and your tortoise is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, moving forward, we'll be making this fan. So take a paper cup, cut it from the sides. Now fold it backward, make a hole in the between and fix a rubber band with the help of a stick. Now fix it on the back as well. Now make its hand fans and then make some buttons over it and it's done. I hope you liked it. We'll be taking some bushy leaves, take a clay, make a ball, fix its eyes, nose and mouth. Now to make its hairs, we'll be fixing the bushy leaves one by one like this. Now take a stick and fix it on the back of it and fill the bushy leaves all over the clay on the back and it's done. Next, take a orange, remove its peel. Now after removing the pulp from the between, we'll be drawing the patterns or a monster face over it like this. So after drawing its eyes and mouth, we'll be putting the thread on the back and then we'll be hanging it by putting a fairy light inside it and your monster theme is ready. Next, we'll be taking the earbuds, tie them with the help of the rubber bands and bend it little bit like this from the sides and join it with the help of a rubber band. Now your bow is ready. Now using the earbuds, you can make an arrow and your bow and the arrow is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a paper, fold it like this and press it. Fold it from the sides again and then press it upward like this and fix them. Now turn the paper, take a green color paper and fold it like this from both the sides and fix it on the top like this and your carrot is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a water bottle cap and fill it with the clay and put a marble over it. Now after that, we'll be drawing a circle and then cut them out like this with the scissor. Join them and make a rabbit. Fix the rabbit over the water bottle cap and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.